Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Confirm you have enough phone storage and Google Drive or iCloud space, then connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug into power if battery is low. Open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Chats and choose Chat Backup. Once there, check the account listed for cloud backups and set the desired frequency. Make sure to toggle Include Videos if you need large files backed up. Start the Manual Backup button to create the first full archive before moving on to incremental steps. Once the initial backup begins, monitor progress and configure details. Choose the cloud account for storage and pick a backup frequency that fits your usage. Make sure to enable Include Videos only if you have ample space, because videos increase size dramatically. Also check whether to use cellular data. Disable it to avoid charges unless necessary. Keep WhatsApp open and your phone unlocked during the operation so the process isn't paused by sleep or network changes. Finish by confirming the backup timestamp and size in Chat Backup settings so you know it completed successfully. If you later restore and it fails, make sure you're using the same phone number and the same Google Drive or iCloud account. Mismatched accounts prevent restores. If problems persist, free up cloud storage, update WhatsApp to the latest version, and retry on a stable Wi-Fi connection. One key tip: restart the phone after freeing space to clear cache, and then attempt the backup or restore again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.